We have all seen those YouTubers who make claims about how easy it is to make money by simply re-uploading videos on YouTube. Just download them, edit them together with some stock footage and background music, and you can print money like a machine. Now, is that true? Well, I tried to make money on YouTube by just re-uploading videos for 3 months, and guess how it went? I've seen most of the videos that overstate how much money you can make from re-uploading videos, and what I find interesting is that not a single one of them has ever shown their own re-uploading channel. However, they are urging you to do it. The question is, have they ever tried it on their own? Even after watching so many videos, I came to the conclusion on that there isn't a straightforward answer, and you're never gonna find out the truth until you do it yourself. I promised myself I would dedicate 3 months to testing it out to see if it really works. So here I am today, and in this video, I'm going to share some of that channel's insight with you. In an effort to try and make money from re-uploading videos, I basically took other people's video from TikTok and from YouTube, did some basic editing on my own computer, and then uploaded them to YouTube. I literally thought I was going to make so much money from this channel because of how many subscribers and views it has. This is the channel I created. So if you go on to a website called Social Blade, that statistic website stated that I was making this amount of money, but that's totally not true. In reality, I was earning nothing. This channel didn't even get approved for monetization because when I finally met the requirements, I applied for YouTube monetization only to be denied. I recall watching a video where a man talked about his journey, which was very dissimilar from mine. In fact, what we did was the same. We took other people's content and uploaded it to our channel. However, while mine was never accepted, his channel was given the green light and got approved for monetization. It worked for him for a while. Of course, his outcome was better than mine. But I also want you to keep in mind that you are still going to lose everything in the end. For the first 2 months, his channel was making money. In his first month, he earned $300, and in his second month, he earned $200. However, he lost monetization in the third month as a result of reused content. So guys, please avoid creating anything that is a shortcut or attempting to hack the YouTube algorithm, because while you might initially succeed in earning some money, eventually you will lose all of your progress, all of your hope, all of your motivation, and even all of your self-confidence. Before taking a shortcut and creating a channel like this, ask yourself if it is worth it. It might work for a while, or it might not work at all. Is it worthwhile to invest your time, money, and resources in something you already know won't last? And once again, the answer is no to making money by re-uploading videos or other people's content. I don't care what other people say, I provided you with the facts. It doesn't work, it will never gonna work for you as well. If you're planning to just download the videos, make some simple editing by compiling them up together, add some music and video footage, you'll end up wasting your time. Keep in mind that they may work for some people because there are some channels that still monetize because they have been around for many years. But there is still risk because if YouTube discover they are violating their monetization rules, they can demonetize their channel at any time regardless of how long they've been on YouTube. So I'm sure you're wondering if there is a legitimate way to make money by re-uploading content. Yes, you should watch this video where I explain how to do it correctly so that you get accepted into the YouTube partner program and avoid going down the wrong path. Let me know in the comments if you think it's worthwhile to give it a shot, or if you should stay away from shortcut like this and start out right.